This Honeywell RTH221B1039 thermostat offers straightforward one-week programming, making it ideal for people who want a simple set-it-and-forget-it schedule. The 4 daily periods for wake, leave, return, and sleep give you comfortable temperatures when you are home and allow your system to run less when you are away. Temperature regulation is impressively steady thanks to its tight control band, which keeps your home from drifting noticeably warmer or cooler than the setting. The clear digital screen and uncomplicated buttons make it easy for anyone in the household to check and adjust the temperature without confusion. Do-it-yourself installation is approachable for most homeowners, and once installed, the thermostat remembers your settings even through power interruptions. Battery replacement reminders, support for both heating and cooling systems, and simple override options round out a reliable everyday thermostat for basic home comfort.